How to install Apache IvyDE TM in Eclipse. So Apache IvyDE is the Eclipse plugin which integrates Apache Ivy's dependency management into Eclipse. It lets you manage your dependencies declared in an ivy.xml in your Java project or any other kind of project which needs dependency management. And the features of from your IDE: managed class path container, automatic downloads, access to the Ivy resolved task from your IDE, and a feature allowing you to develop interdependent multi-module application in workspace. So let's see how to install Apache IvyDE in Eclipse. So I am using the Eclipse version, Eclipse Luna Service Release 4.4.2. So go to the Eclipse Marketplace, and here we have to search the Apache IvyDE. So search for IvyDE, and here you will get the list. So to install, just click on install. Now click confirm, then accept the terms of license and click on the finish button. Now the Eclipse installer is installing the software. So it is downloading the files. So it's a warning message, just click on OK. It's asking to restart, so click on yes. Now the Eclipse is starting. So it is installed and Eclipse is started. Now you can see we have the option to add Ivy dependency management, and it is the Ivy dependency management is added. Now there is option to remove. We can click on the remove Ivy dependency management if we don't want this thing. So we learned how to install the Apache IvyDE tool in the Eclipse. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel. You can visit our website roseindia.net, and here you will find thousands of tutorials on different programming languages like Hibernate, Struts, Spring, Java, Advanced Java, Ajax, JavaScript, PHP, and so on. So you can learn from these tutorials.